Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll study the division properties and the division methods of integers. So let's have some of the important points. The first one is for the division method, we can simply take the two general equations, that is if a is divided by minus b, okay, or it is equals minus a is divided by b. These both have the same answer. Either negative sign is at denominator or the negative sign will at numerator. The answer will be same. Let's check how is it. So the first one is minus 12 divided by 6. We have the answer minus 2. Okay. Or if I'm going to change the sign, that is 12 divided by minus 6. So on solving these particular terms, we have the same answer, which is minus 2. So the first property of division is either a divided by minus b or minus a is divided by b. Both have the similar answer, where b will not equals to 0. The condition will applied. Okay. Coming to the next, if both the integers I'm taking over here, if both are negative, then minus a will divided by minus b. In this case, the answer will be simply a divided by b, because the negative sign will be cancelled out and the equation will be simpler, that both the negative signs will remove from here. Like for example, we can take an example for this. It is minus 36 divided by minus 4. So this will equals to 36 divided by 4 and the answer will be plus 9. So these are the two main properties. Now coming to the some next properties that we have studied in multiplication, also in addition and subtraction cases. We all know that division do not shows commutative property. But what about in case of integer? Is it similar or something different? Let's have example for this. For commutative property, we are taking an example to verify the commutative property. Because in general, we know that the division will not show commutative property. Now, in case of an example, or in case of integer, I am taking the example minus 8 divided by minus 4. And on the other side, minus 4 divided by minus 8. Now I have a solution. Minus and minus will cancel. The number will be 8 divided by 4 and the answer will be 2. On the either side, both the sign will cancel out and the number will be 4 divided by 8. But here the answer will be 1 divided by 2. So both the numbers, which is 2 and 1 divided by 2, or we can write it as 0.5. Both are not equal. It simply means that division do not show commutative property. Okay. Then coming to the next. Our next property for division term is simply if a number a is divided by 0. So that is not defined. We'll simply say it is not defined. Okay. But in case of 0, if it is divided by a, where a is not equals to 0, then the answer, it will equals to 0. It means if a is divided by 0, then it is not defined. But if 0 is divided by any integer a, either negative or either positive, but can't be 0. So the answer will always will 0. Okay. In other case, if I am going to divide a will by 1, so the answer will always a. For example, if you are taking minus 36, if I am going to divide it by 1, we have answer minus 36. Or I am taking example plus number, which is 12 divided by 1. So again we have answer 12. In case of this case, let's have example for this also, which is simply a divided by 0. If I'm taking 2 divided by 0, so the answer will be not defined. That is the infinite sign. Okay. But if a 0 number which is divided by -4 or a plus positive number, in that case the answer will always 0. That is the whole property of division. In our next class we'll do some questions. Thank you.